Alright, so this is my classroom website I created. So on my homepage that we're already on, I put a picture of myself and a little bit about what you're going to find on my website, different assignment help examples, videos and tutorials, the basic idea. If we keep scrolling down, I have a little space you can sign up for my weekly newsletter. Going back up to the top, we'll go to the biography page. Here I put a little bit about myself and my family, what I plan to teach, my plans in life, important people to me, etc. Going into the Word assignments. Now the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint assignments are all the same. I did a little download section file where you click to download it. It'll pop up all pretty. And the same thing with Excel. I just have them down here on the bottom. And they're just the different assignments we've done in this class over the weeks, from where I've learned things, etc. Next, I got my web quest. So for my web quest, you're going to come down and you're going to copy and paste this URL into Chrome or in the Explorer. I recommend Chrome. And luckily, I already have it open for a quick transition. So I did my web quest. I named it Mummies in the Morning. It's for second graders, and it's going to be covering your English language, history, and some math standards. Moving on, for my introduction, I simply give the kids a get ready, here we go, beginning, with a fun picture. Next, we go into tasks. I give a little bit of an overview of the tasks that I expect out of them. I have where they're going to solve math problems, your detective skills, about different items in the book, and they're going to write and answer questions for history. Next, I go into the process where actually everything will be. So with the buddy, they're going to complete all the following. They're going to do some math problems to cover the math standards. In language arts, I'm going to have them pick 2 different items in the list, and they're going to write me a short paragraph summary, about half a page, about different items they found in the story. And then in history, I'm going to ask them some history questions about Egypt to see if they're comprehending what the book is putting down. Next, in the evaluation, so the children know how they will be graded, I did it very simply. I did it on a 1-4 scale, 4 being the best, 1 being needs work, and mostly it's if you get everything correct and follow my instructions, you get 4s all across the board. And I say that up here at the top. Going into my conclusion, I give the kids a little overview of everything they should learn and down in this assignment, and then I'm proud of them that they did a fantastic job. Lastly, on the teacher's page, I've included different ideas on how to differ the different assignments for each student, how to make it harder for the advanced students so you don't have bored kids in class. I also put in the standards of which my assignment is complete. Going back to my weekly, to finish it off, hit the wrong button, here we go, I have other examples where I put the different technology things I learned in the PowerPoint. And lastly, I have my Screen-O-Matic one, where as soon as I finish this, I'm going to add it in here and publish my website to turn in. This has been a fun assignment, and I've loved everything I've learned in it, and I can't wait to learn more. Thank you!